Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 27th, 2025, and we're taking a deep dive into GBPUSD. We'll be covering recent news and analyzing the charts to formulate a trading strategy. First, let's address the latest news. Trump's announcement of a 25% tariff on auto imports effective April 2nd has caused ripples in the market. The UK is seeking an exemption, and this uncertainty adds volatility. We also saw UK inflation data come in softer than expected, coupled with a downward revision of the UK's GDP growth forecast for 2025. These factors have weighed on the pound. Now, let's switch gears and look at the GBPUSD chart data. This will help us understand how these events are translating into price action. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see the overall trend has been quite choppy these last few months, from November 2024 to now. We see a peak around September 2024 and a steep decline and consolidation afterwards. Overall, we need to be careful looking at this chart. Now let's look at the 1-hour chart to see if we can get more fine-grained understanding. Okay, so in the 1-hour chart, we see even more choppy action. It is trading near 1.2600, but we see a few peaks and valleys. It seems like we might see sideways action for a bit. Let's narrow this down even further to the 15-minute chart to see if there's anything else we can gather. So in the 15-minute chart, we see action is very localized, with little variation. We're basically seeing sideways movement. In the short term, GBPUSD may test the 1.2600 support, and if it breaks below that, it could fall to the 200-day SMA at 1.2801, according to some reports. On the other hand, a daily close above 1.2950 would signal strength and a potential move towards 1.3000. Given Trump's tariffs and the UK's slow growth, the pair faces downward pressure in the long term. However, any positive developments regarding a UK exemption from the tariffs or improvements in UK economic data could provide a boost. Key levels to watch include the 1.2600 support, 1.2801 SMA, and 1.2950 and 1.3000 resistance levels. A break below 1.2600 would increase the likelihood of testing 1.2801, while a sustained move above 1.2950 could signal a rally towards 1.3000.